Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose is improving our knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our first article. X Crops challenges content blocking order oppose center censorships portal. X is legal challenge. Here are the contentions of Elon Musk's company in the Karnataka High Court. Why issued blocking order check under Section 79 subsection 3B of the Information Technology IT Act 2000 and not under Section 69A. Section 79 3B outlines the conditions under which an intermediary lost its safe harbor protection. Section 69A empowers the government to block access to online content under specific circumstances. Union Home Monetary Sahyog portal is a censorship portal. The Hindu Bureau, Bengaluru, New Delhi. X Corp, formerly known as Twitter Inc., has moved the Karnataka High Court challenging the way the union and the state government are issuing order to block content on its platform. The company is opposing the center's new Sahyog portal, terming it a censorship portal which allows all government agencies from union ministers down to local police station to issue blocking order using a union's government issued template. The court will hear the petitions on March 27. X Crop have asked the court to direct the government that orders to block content can only be issued under Section 69A of the Information Technology IT Act 2000 and not be invoking Section 79 3B of the Act. A union government official told the Hindu that order issued under Section 79 were not direct blocking order, but they simply notified the platform that it was liable for illegal content. Section 69A empowered the union government to direct the blocking of public access to information if deemed necessary for sovereignty, security, public order, or to prevent incitements, among other reasons. It has multiple procedural safeguards to ensure it is not misused, which have been laid down by the Supreme Court in the landmark Sharia Singhal vs Union of India case 2015. Conditional protection. Section 679 of the Act, on the other hand, merely exempts intermediaries such as the service provider, such social media platform or apps from liability for third party content such as posts. It does not empower the government to issue information blocking order in violation of Section 69A and the apex court verdict in Sharia single case versus according to the expedition. However, clause 3B of the Section 79 does say that the exemptions will not be valid if the intermediary fails to expeditiously remove or disable access to materials used to commit an unlawful act when notified by the government. The company also questioned a communication against the Union Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology (METI) issued on October 31, 2023. Information all union ministers, state government, and state police chiefs that they are authorized to issue blocking order under Section 79 3B of the Act. A year later, the Union Home Ministry created the Sahyog portal, which acts has called a censorship portal to facilitate such orders to be issued. The Sahyog portal website say it was developed to automate the process of sending notices to intermediary, ensuring immediate action, and will help to achieve a clean cyberspace. These actions by the center are in violation of the law laid down by the top court in the Sharia single case. The petition said Methi is the trying to do indirectly through other agency that it cannot do directly under Section 69. Methi's actions are also colorable exercise of power because it has attempted to delegate power to center and state agency and the countless local police officers that Methi herself does not have under the IT Act. The petition added. A senior union government official disputed X descriptions of the Sahyog portal as a parallel censorship system. Order sent under Section 79 are the blocking order. The official said this order from social media intermediary about illegal content, and if they do not remove them, they share the liability faced by the user. It is not the same as a blocking order under section 69A, which is directly blocking on a few narrow ground. We will let the court decide the constitutionality of the portal. The officials added. Prashant Sugathan, legal director of the Software Freedom Law Center, India's SFLC, said that it was problematic that Sanyog was designed for such a large number of complaints without any procedural safeguard, informing the court that the MHA had written on XCOP in October 2024 asking it to appoint a nodal officer to coordinate with the Sanyog portal. The company sought interim protection, expressing apprehension that if it fails to appoint a nodal officer or to comply with blocking order issued under Section 79(3)(b), 39 Section 79(3)(9)(b, it may attract coercive action against the company and its representative. When the petition came up for hearing on March 70 before Justice M. Nagprasanna, the Additional Solicitor General of India, told the court that there is nothing done that will justify a grant of an interim order as on date. At full steam, welcome abroad. Ahead of the tourist season in Kashmir, workers paint shikara gondolas in Srinagar on Thursday. The best time to visit Kashmir is considering to be during the spring and summer months from March to October. Cost droppers procuring advanced towed artillery gun systems. 7,000 in crore rupees. The Cabinet Committee on Security has approved a mega deal to procure advanced towed artillery gun system for the Indian Army at 7,000 crore rupee, marking a major step in the indigenous manufacturing of the such howitzers. Numbers of the refund made for faulty toll collection in 2024: 12.55 in lakhs number. The government said 12.55 lakh refund were made in 2024 for faulty toll collection on national highway. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari said penalty of more than 2 crore rupee have been levied on user-free collecting agency. Number of journalists who died due to COVID-19 in Odisha: 15. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi on Thursday informed that 50 journalists died due to COVID-19 in the state. Replying to a question by RJD legislator Souvik Biswal, Mr. Majhi said ex gratia of 15 lakh rupee each was given to the next of kin of 49 journalists. House which got illegal construction notice in Sambal. 33 a mosque and 33 houses have been set notices alleged illegal construction on the municipal land in the Varisnagar area of Chandhulus in Sambal. The action came after a complaint was logged, which led to an inspection by the district magistrate and superintendent of the police. Sweden's investment in school security after a mass shooting. $13 million. Sweden's government said that it will be dedicating 300 million kronor, $30 million for school security measure following the country horse mass shooting at an education center last month. Goma. Rwanda-backed M23 rebels push into minerals-rich town in Congo. Rwanda-backed rebels battle in Congo army have pushed into the strategic mineral-rich from town of Walikale in the east, ignoring calls for a ceasefire this week by the Congolese and Rwanda president as M23 rebel group expand its footprint in the conflict-torn African country. The leader had held a meeting in Qatar on Wednesday. Ottawa. Canada's new PM Carney set to call snap election for April 28. New Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney is expected to call a snap election for April 28, triggering a campaign dominated by President Donald Trump's trade war and demand to turn the USA ally into a 51st state. Mr. Carney, who replaced Justin Trudeau just last week, is set to announce the election's date on Sunday. Moscow. Putin offers Russia support and cooperation to Syrian leader Jolani. Russian President Vladimir Putin sent a message to Syrian leader Mohammad al Jolani backing effort to ensure territorial integrity of the country and offering Kremlin practical cooperation on a whole range of issues. Russia has scrambled to ensure its bases in Syria since the fall of the Assad regime in December. Damascus. German Foreign Minister on Syria visit reopened Damascus embassy. Germany Foreign Minister Elena Baerbock officially reopened the country's embassy in war-ravaged Syria during a one-day visit to Damascus on Thursday. His trip came weeks after sectarian massacres claimed more than 1,500 lives. Miss Baerbock condemned the violence, saying targeting killing of civilians is a terrible crime. New challenge: Prague to lead Royals in first three games. Samson to play as batter. Ryan Prague will lead Rajasthan Royals in its first three IPL games as regular captain. Sanju Samson has been told to avoid wicket-keeping duty due to finger surgery, which means that he will only be available as a batter in this game. Samson underwent a surgery after his finger was fractured during the fifth T20 against England. Welcome news. Siraj say lifting of Salvia ban will help bowlers find reverse swing. Gujarat Titans pacer Mohammad Siraj wholeheartedly welcomed the BCCI's decision to lift the Saliva ban ahead of IPL 2025. It is excellent news for us bowlers because when the ball is not doing anything, applying salvia on the ball will increase the chances of finding some reverse swing, said Siraj. Full of intent, you will see a fearless approach from LSG, say mentor Jahir. Lucknow Super Giant mentor Jahir Khan has set the tone for his team upcoming IPL session, promising an aggressive and fearless brand of cricket under new captain Rishabh Pant. He emphasized the team intent to take the game ahead on. You will see a fearless approach from this team, Jahir stated. Potent combination: right balance between data and get fuel, improve decision making. Relying on data science has become an integral part of IPL team playing, and when blended with perfect balance of gut feel, it certainly improved decision making. Feel RCB director of cricket Mobat executing your decision and how you follow through is very important as a leader in sport. That's your core currency. Now we start our daily English session. Know your English from the archives. K. Subramanian Upendra. Sujata is crazy. I tell you, what did she do this time? Nothing really, but she thinks she know everything. Today she was trying to convince me that there is a difference in meanings between are you going to Madras tomorrow and you are going to Madras tomorrow are not you. She is right. You know what you mean. There is a difference in meaning. Yes, there is. You see, when I ask you are you going to Madras tomorrow, I want you to leave me an answer. You want me to say yes or no. What's correct? I want you answer because I am not really sure if you are going to Madras or not. When you ask you are going to Madras or not, you does not you expect an answer. Not really you are going to Madras or not you is not really a question. It may sound like a question, but it is not. When I ask you that I am doing is confirming that you are indeed leaving for Madras tomorrow. What you are saying is you already know I am leaving from Madras tomorrow and you are asking just to check. Exactly. I will give you another example. Suppose I say it is a nice day. Is it not? It don't expect you say no. It is not. I expect you to agree with me that it is a beautiful day. That's right. So if I say my girlfriend is very beautiful, is not she? I am asking you to agree that my girlfriend is really beautiful. Yes, shall we change the subject if you want to? So did you play the tennis yesterday? Yes, we play a couple of games. A couple only 2 games. Is that all? I played several games. Actually, you see, in informal situations, the word couple can mean several. For example, although there was a band, a couple of the shops remained open, meaning there were more than 2 shops open. There were several shops open. I see. Well, in the case, I have a couple of things to do. First of all, I have to apologize to Sujata and then published in the Hindu on November 7, 1995. So, guys, this is our today quiz. The 2025 Indian Premier League will kick off on March 22. A quiz on tournament. Surya Prakash makes this quiz. Question number: which umpire has stood as an on-field umpire in the last 6 consecutive finals? Question number 2: which two umpires have stood as on-field umpire is not number of matches in IPL history? Question number 3: who has offered as a match referee in the most number of IPL final? Question number 4: which overseas player has won the most IPL title? Question number 5: which overseas player has won the IPLs playing for the two franchise? Question number 6: who hold the record for playing for multiple teams in the IPL? Question number 3: which Indian player holds the record of playing for different team in the IPL? Question number 8: who is the only player to have won the Players of the Final award despite ending up on the losing side? Question number 10: who is the only player to have won both the Orange Cap and Emerging Player of the Year award in the same editions of the IPL? Visual question: the player is the only one who to have won both the Purple Cap and Player of the Series award in the same editions of the IPL. He also took a hat-trick in the same edition. Name him. Name and the question and answer of the previous daily quiz. This film, directed by the Putana Kangal, is said to have become the first film to complete 100 days in 3 theatres in Bengaluru. Nagara Ravu. The Kannada actor was the first to win National Film Award for Best Actor, M.B. Vasudev Roy. This actor produced is known as the first woman producer in the history of Kannada cinema, M.V. Rajamana. This 2006 film starring Ganesh was the first Kannada film to cross the 50 crore rupee box office collection mark. Mungaru May. Their 2022 film became the highest grossing Kannada film of all time. Answer: KGF Chapter 2. The only Dada Saheb Phalke Award in Kannada cinema. Answer: Dr. Rajkumar. Visually identified the director who directed this 1977 film, which had the distinction of being shown at the Museum of Modern Art, New York. Girish Kasarwali. Ghati Shraddha. Early word who gave the answer is this. So guys, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.